Hi guys! Good afternoon! Katapos ko lang maligo, I already put on some makeup. Wala pang lipstick kasi hindi pa ako kumakain ng lunch. And I am cooking my ulam right now. It's the longganisa again. Ang bilis niya masunog, nakakaloka. Though gusto ko yung sunog, but gusto ko rin naman maluto ka. And mahina yung apoy. Mabilis lang talaga siya. Anyway, yan yung kakainin ko. The last time I cooked 4, tapos hindi ko naubos yung 4 at all. So I was like, this time, 2 lang. And ready na yung rice ko. Nainit ko na siya. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kaninang umaga kasi I was charging my battery. Hinihintay ko pa rin yung battery na in-order ko. I forgot kailan ko yun in-order. Siguro mga Sabado ata. Or, I forgot. Pero, I should receive it na. Pero wala pa. Pero okay lang yan. Kasi nakakainis kapag feel mo na mag-vlog tapos biglang low battery, nakakaloka. Especially kapag nag-film ako ng YouTube video. Though para sa akin, okay na okay pa rin yung battery life niya. It will last me 2 days, which is perfect. Siguro ngayon lang kasi bago pa siya. Pero so far, so good naman. So, wala naman problema yung battery life. It's just that, mas gusto ko na continuous yung vlog, tapos yung beauty video, especially vlog, because you do not know what will happen. And alam mo na, baka meron kang gustong i-vlog, tapos low bat ka. So, tsaka naman yun. But, yeah. So, that's why I ordered one. Hindi kami pupunta sa bahay ng mama ni Dan ngayon kasi hindi siya mag-host ng dinner ngayon. Yung kapatid niya yung magde-dinner. So, pupunta kami sa bahay ng kapatid niya. Yes. And dun kami magde-dinner. Miss ko na yung mga bata. Kain muna ako, guys. Gutom na ako. Kain tayo. Hello! Time to apply the lipstick. I really like this stuff, by the way. From the lipstick tapos stuff. I just want to say, I really like this stuff. This is from, I think, fashionmia.com. Again, hindi ko pa ma-haul kasi marami pa akong meron pa akong mga hinihintay na mga items from them na hintayin ko muna bago ko i-haul. You know what I mean? Pero I really like this. It keeps me really warm. For the past, I don't know how many days, I've been turning on the heater sa living room kasi sobrang lamig. This time, I didn't have to. Like today, I did not have to kasi this sweater or jumper keeps me really warm. But, there's a but though. Kasi, parang yung mga ganito niya, yung mga hair something. I don't even know. That's not hair. But, napupunta siya sa pants ko. If you guys can see. Can you see these? I'm not really sure. Now, I didn't wash this yet kasi okay naman siya kapag, let's be real here, kapag bago yung damit at hindi naman siya mabaho, like other stuff na nabibili ko online na mabaho, hindi naman siya mabaho, so hindi ko siya winash. And natatakot ako na baka kapag winash ko to, matatanggal lahat ng itich. I really like it pa naman. Meron siyang owl, oh. Yan, gusto ko lang yung i-share. Mag-apply na ako ng lipstick kasi katapos ko lang kumain ng lunch. And, honestly, I don't need to apply lipstick right now. I was actually here. Kasi mamaya pa naman kami aalis. Bakit ako magli-lipstick? Nandito lang naman ako sa bahay. I was here to get hand cream kasi sobrang, hindi naman as in sobrang dry, pero I can feel na dry yung hands ko. And maglalagay ako ng hand cream before ko i-paint yung nails ko. So, remove ko na yung nail polishes. And, nasa na ba yung hand cream ko? Finiture ko yun sa sa May favorites video. And then, kinurap niyo ako paano i-pronounce yun. L'Occitane pala yun. L'Occitane? Basta. Pag-pronounce ko L'Occitane, ay nakakaloka. Such a shame. Kasi sobrang tagal ko na siyang ginagamit. Ilang years na ako nagagamit ng hand cream na yon. And hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce. So, salamat sa mga nag-correct. I appreciate it. Kailangan ko siyang basahin ulit though. Kailangan ko hanapin yun. Or you know what? I'm just gonna Google it. Kasi, yeah, nakalimutan ko. L'Occitane? Don't. Okay. Just nawala. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na yung hand cream ko. I actually need to buy a new one, pero I don't think I'm gonna repurchase that kasi mahal siya. And I have been wanting to get the Pow ointment. Wow, ang lighting. My goodness, you guys. Tingnan nyo. Well, hindi nyo makita. Sobrang dilim dito, you guys. Sobrang dilim talaga dito. Pero yung camera ko, bongga. I like it. Ngayon lang ako nagpapag-vlog dito sa closet. Ito yung closet namin eh. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog dito kasi every time na nag-vlog ako dito using my iPhone, ano siya, tsaka yung lighting niya dito, kaya hindi ko ini-include sa clips. Dito ko kasi nilalagay yung mga nail polishes ko. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's right there. And yeah, pipili ako ng nail polish para ma-paint ko ng aking nails. Para ma-paint ko ang aking toenails at saka aking fingernails. Meron akong dalawang bagong nail polishes na nabili ko just recently. Ito yung from Revlon. It was only for $1. So, why not? Kapag ganyan talagang mga deals, napapaano yung aking mga mata. Actually, si Dan nakakita ng deal na yun. And he was like, look, nail polishes for you. So, yeah. Maghanap lang ako ng nail polish color and I'll talk to you guys later. Love this lighting here. Nandito na siya. Hindi pa ako nakapag-paint ng nails ko. You're early! Hello? Hello? Hi, babe.
Lighting at your package?
No, you're early.
We're filming.
I'm filming. I was gonna paint my nails. Look it.
I know.
Yeah, I will. I just finished painting my nails. I used the LOL nail polish in the shade Big Love. And then on my ring finger, I have this, whoa, focus you. I have this Sally Hansen na parang silver lang siya. Wala siyang shade name eh, but yeah, that's what I have on my ring finger nail. This is what I have on my toes as well, but I already have my socks on so you can't see. But yeah, I like the color. Really nice. And we received his phone case today. Feels legit. I got this from eBay for I think only $4 bucks. I changed my top kasi maglalakad lang kami papunta sa bahay ng kuya niya. So yeah, I think it's 15 minutes. Is it a 15-minute walk, babe?
Nah, a bit longer.
Oh, longer. We will be sweaty and ish when we get there.
10 minutes ago, saying how far away are you?
Oh, and then did you respond?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So,
We've been walking for 20 minutes now, and I think we're 10 minutes away. We're almost there. It's nice because it's not really hot, so hindi kasing super pinagpapawisan. But yeah, we're almost there. Hot dog.
one of the kids dropped it.
Just a random hot dog on the street. That's someone's lunch, dang.
Here you go.
Hello! We're back home na pala. I forgot to tell you guys kanina, pero yeah, I washed my face already. We're back home. The dinner was yummers. I'm gonna show you guys ube. Hindi ko pa siya napakita sa inyo, diba? After namin nilinis yung ano niya, yung fish tank niya. So, ube. Ube buddy, come on. Hello buddy. There you are. Look at you. Still swimming. Still swimming and enjoying life. It won't focus because you're moving. There you go. Lumalaki lalo yung dito, oh. As in, sobrang laki na. Good morning! I have my toast in the toaster. Nilagyan ko siya ng butter both sides. And then, I have my coffee right here. Medyo napadami. Dito lang sana eh. Oh. Pero okay lang yan. I'm gonna add whipped cream. Hindi muna ako nag-skyflakes today kasi araw-araw na lang ako nag-skyflakes. Not that there's something wrong with skyflakes. I love skyflakes. It's just that para maiba naman, diba? So yeah, lagyan ko lang to ng whipped cream and then I'm gonna have my breakfast. Kain tayo! Hello! Meron akong clear nose to eh. Pagkatapos ko maligo, nilagay ko yung clear nose para matanggal ang mga blackheads. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Hindi ko namalayan, 3:30 na ngayon. Hindi pa ako kumakain ng lunch. Tapos wala pa akong rice. So, sabi ko, nakakatamad magluto ng rice. So, though magluluto ako ng rice, kasi rice yung namin mamaya. Magluluto ako ng pork chops, yung pork chops na may mushroom, yung niluto ko. Na-feature ko na yan sa vlog ko eh. Basta, yun yung lulutuan ko ulit kasi nagustuhan siya ni Dan and gusto niya, yun daw yung kakainin niya mamaya. Hindi at tinatamad ako magluto ng rice. Tapos, maya-maya lang magdi-dinner na din naman kami. So, I'm just gonna have chips. Meron pa kaming natirang sisis. And then, clover chips. So, I'm just gonna have chips. That's fine. That's fine, right? So, yeah, I'm just gonna eat those. And then, I'm gonna remove this bad boy right here. And see. Naka-prepare na yung iluluto ko mamaya, oh. Yung century tuna, prepare ko rin. Kasi nga, akala ko yun yung kakainin ko. Pero wala pala akong rice. There's my rice. I mean, my rice cooker. And then, yeah. So, naging busy kasi ako. I did laundry. Tapos, yeah, nakalimutan ko. Hindi mo pala ako nagla-lunch. Anyway, kakain lang ako ng mga chips. And then, oh, asan na ba yung phone ko? Meron ako naka-prepare na video na papanoorin ko while watching, Sobrang nagmo-multitask na ako ngayon. Kasi hindi na ako makakapanood ng video talaga na wala na akong time na makapanood ng video. So, like, nanonood lang ako ng video kapag may ginagawa ako. Like, kanina, I was sewing shorts ni Dan. Kasi, may, parang, basta, hindi naman siya butas, pero parang gano'n na rin. Pero yeah, ayun, while I was doing that, I was watching a video, and now I'm gonna watch. Ito yung channel ni Pink Sparkles. So, our trip to Las Vegas, papanoorin ko yung vlog na yan. It's a long vlog. So, I'm gonna watch this while eating my lunch, and then, or snacks, whatever, and then mamaya, mag-iron ako. Wait, what happened? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove this bad boy right here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is gonna be really freaking painful. Ooh, wait, ang sakit, ang sakit. Aray, dapat kasi pag ganun pa-upward. Kaya lang, ang sakit nun. Ang sakit talaga, aray. Kaninang-kanina pa kasi to. Sobrang kaninang-kanina pa. Siguro mga 2 hours na to dito. Kasi naging busy ako after ko naligo. Ang dami kong ginawa. And, aray. Aray naman. Ouch. Oh! Ouch. Aray. Meron pala akong review nito, guys. Demo and review. I will leave the link below if you guys are interested. Kasi, ito yung pinaka-the best na nose pore strip na na-try ko. And, yeah, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Nakuha ko yung akin sa, aray, ang sakit nun. Sa Hermosa shop. Oh, shoot. Aray. Oh! Ang sakit. Gusto niyo ba makita? I'm not sure kung gusto niyo makita. Kung ayaw niyo makita mga ganito, like, if nandidiri kayo sa mga ganito, don't watch, okay? Okay, pero ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi this camera will focus eh. Can you see that? Look at that. Kikita nyo yan? Dami, diba? Oh, diba? It really works. Hi guys! So, nagluluto na ako ng dinner namin. I figured na lutuin siya ng maaga. Wala pang 5 ngayon actually. Pero, yeah, kasi hindi ako nag-lunch. Tapos siya din gusto niya na mag-dinner kami ng maaga. Kasi plano niya mag-dinner muna before tumakbo. So, it will give him enough time to rest before siya tumakbo, diba? So, yeah. I'm doing the pork chops. I'm browning the pork chops right now. It's right, yeah, right there. And then, nandito na yung aking mushroom. Na-slice ko na. And then, I have here my onions and then my garlic. And this is the condensed cream of mushroom. Super dali lang. Like, after mo siya i-brown, lalagay mo yung mushroom, onion, and then, ano ba yung garlic for 1 minute. Tapos, ilalagay mo yung soup and then simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. And then, that's basically it. So, napakadali lang. And, yummer to. So, yan. Ilagay ko na yung mushroom, onion, at saka yung garlic. Tapos, ready ko nang ilagay ang cream of mushroom soup. And, after nito, after ko to ilagay, ika-cover ko lang siya and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. And then, that's basically it, you guys. Sobrang dali lang nito. And, sobrang nagugustuhan to na Dan itong dish na to. And, we'll just eat this with rice. So, that's perfect. Here's dinner. Yamas. Kain tayo. Say, kain tayo. That's it. That's what we... So your head will cut off. Look it.
While we were recording.
We're testing. And we're doing the challenge on Sunday.
Yeah, use this in your vlog.
Yeah. No, wait. See, they can see me, but they can't see you. So I need to like put it like that. We're just testing. I think that. No, I will not include this. Sige na. Yeah, just look. See? Is that perfect?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. That's good. Or maybe we can move like back here. Okay.
No, this is good.
Yeah? Here. They need to see you. They want to see you, not me.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, tell us.
Sunday.
Tell us.
You're the best. I'm trying to figure out what mask I'm gonna wear tonight. So, use tonight. Hindi ko alam. Ito yung from Mask Maven, and yeah, hindi ko alam kung anong mask ang gagamitan ko. I still have few masks left from the April Mask Maven. This one is from the May Mask Maven. I have an unboxing video if you want to see that. I will leave the link down there. But yeah, hindi ko alam kung anong gagamitin kong mask today. This one is really interesting, but I'm not gonna use this tonight. Ito yung my puppy. And yeah, siguro pearl or hyaluronic acid. We'll see. Hi guys, so I went for this one, the hyaluronic acid mask, and I have it on my face right now. I think it's been, I don't know, 15-20 minutes on my face. And yeah, I will just go ahead and close the vlog. This guy is doing the tag on Sunday. That's exciting. Actually today. Yeah, because this vlog is gonna be uploaded on Sunday.
Okay.
So yeah, we've done it today. I hope so. We'll see. I hope he doesn't change his mind.
Oh wait.
You want?
No.
Thank you. That's it. I'm just gonna watch MasterChef, and that's basically it for the night. I'm gonna edit this vlog as well. And I edited a haul earlier. It's saving right now, so after that's all saved and done, I will upload it. And yeah, that's basically it. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed. That's it for this video. Good night, guys. Wanna say good night?
No.
Good night, guys. Be good. Bye. No, bye.
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 Bye.